Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick note on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you are in a hurry and you want to make a quick note, but you do not want to open other note making apps, you can do it on your MacBook. If you go to the bottom of the screen and you click on the right corner, and you can see that it will appear your new note, and here you can type whatever you would like. So in this way you will save some time, and if you really want to make a quick note, you can do it in this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.